Hey guys, I'm about to do a bike check. Haven't done one in a while. I'll start at the top. I got ODI grips. Couldn't really tell you what kind they are because my friend gave them to me. I have ODI bar ends. They're kind of worn. I wouldn't get them. If I was going to get any kind of bar ends, I would get ODI par ends or Odyssey par ends. Sorry, my bad. Kink human bars. They're 8, 7, 5, 20, 29 and a half wide. The Fit Brian Foster stem. Colt headset. Colt Sect V2 forks. They're pretty nice. They're super light. They didn't have them in black, so I had to get them in this weird chrome. Demolition Bulimia hub. I don't know what kind of spokes. With a Sun Streetlight hoop. And a Sabrosa tire. Couldn't really tell you the tube. It's probably like Schwinn. The frame is Kink Badger. Super light. I love it so much. KC Badger signature frame. Pedals, Colony. As you can see, my cranks are stripped. My cranks are kind of retarded. Premium 1948 cranks. They're right, left compatible, as you can see. Federal Impala sprocket, I think, with a Shadow Conspiracy chain, the V2 chain. I have a Kink wedge post with the Kink Sean Sexton signature seat. It's super soft. I already broke it in. It's nice. In the back, I have an Animal ASM tire with an Eastern hoop with an Eastern female birectional back hub. I don't know if you can see that. It's really light, female, super strong. There's my black mark. Some little faggot kid ran into me at the skate park today. I told him to clean it, but he wouldn't clean it because he's a faggot. And that's pretty much it. That's my bike. Thanks for watching.